is up, you guys? So it has been a minute since we last videoed anything. Lots of things going on, doing some renos in the house, so everything is out of the house into the garage, so we don't have garage space, and the weather has just been absolutely shitty, so didn't do much recording. But today we are just gonna run some errands, go to Home Depot, find a door for the house. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I got these stickers, just came in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the stickers. And I got Justin here with the 4Runner. We're just gonna hang out. So thanks again for watching. Yeah, thanks. Keep watching. What's happening, Justin?
Clickbait, baby. That's what we're talking about. Clickbait.
Yeah, it is absolutely windy out here, like just ridiculous. Yeah, check that out. Tree falling all over shit. There's like a little bus little booth there. Crazy. And it's been raining non-stop for the last couple days, so no content. But yeah, got some little decals for my Supra. Let's see what I got here.
This one maybe the footing maybe be about an inch and a half.
Yeah, two things. What's up? So let's open this one up.
The wideness? Maybe like 3 or something.
Yeah. Tall.
Not that far. 2-3 inches?
Yeah. So one of these stickers, I actually paid more for shipping than the actual sticker itself. So yeah, got this little one here. I'm gonna put that on the front bumper because I have a dent in there that I'm not gonna fix. So there's one sticker. I think this one actually cost $6, and then shipping was like $7 for a fucking sticker. And what do we got here? This is all like nicely sealed and shit. Haha, Band-Aid. So it's, I don't know which one to put on there, but yeah, one of the two. So if you want to go to my bumper, we'll go take a look at where they're gonna go. Stickers. So if you look over here, I got a dent in my bumper, punctured right through the paint into that little styrofoam. So the decision is, which one do I go with to cover that thing up? Do I go with this little cross Rising Sun bumper sticker, or do I go with the this one? I might go with this one.
No,
But
Japanese one. That's fucking
this one,
dope.
you think?
Yeah. That is straight.
Oh shit, I didn't even see the Japanese rising sun there.
Yeah. Which one?
I say the Japanese one.
Yeah.
Do I go straight like that or at an angle?
Yeah, you need a fucking driver car.
It's been raining for fucking 2 days now. Don't look at those. They're so ugly right now. Those are so ugly. We got plans for later. Big brake upgrade.
Yeah.
Big brake upgrade. We just gotta find some parts. So. Okay. We're going to Home Depot and shoe company. I don't know. We're just gonna hang out, so keep watching. Oops, you're gonna have to wipe that, bro. But here at Bastos, you always get a free tire shine. What's up?
For sale?
Yeah. The price is right.
You don't even. All right, so we finally have a day where the sun is shining. The wind has stopped. It's done. It's not tearing up any more trees, blowing trampolines onto other people's yards. It's good. No more storms. So today is the day where we will be putting on the little decal to finish off this video. We also have Justin here today. He's looking at plasti dipping his 4Runner emblems and putting some Hella Horn Supertones on his 4Runner. So he's got the same ones that I got. Actually, sorry, I copped the same ones that he got, but don't worry about the fine details. So, yeah, peace. So we're all set up, just figuring out how I want to go ahead and position this. As you can see, there's that little crack in the bumper there, a little spider web in the paint. So I really don't feel like painting the vehicle all over again, and it's really hard to match it as well too, especially since there's a pearl on the paint. So I'm gonna cover it up with this thing. Now it's just a matter of how do I want to position this decal. Whatever. I guess how we're gonna position it is however I feel like it, or easiest way. I really don't care. I just want to be able to cover it up. We also got Justin here doing his first video vlog.
I am redoing them. Reason because there was a little bit of wear on them. So you can see I've already stripped them. I used Goo Gone, easy job, pressure wash. You know, don't make too much work. Work smart, not hard. So let's see, gotta get started.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, I guess.
I guess we're both vlogging, hey?
We got some work to do today.
Some content.
Yeah, put it down. Get to work.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Aren't you
That's
supposed
enough vlogging.
Aren't you supposed to get to work?
Yeah,
There's a corner over there where you can pick up some change.
Pick up some change. $5 bills is all I work for. No change.
Quick, easy repair. Looks pretty cool too. Sort of messed up. Pretty weird angle, and yeah. But who cares? I got another sticker for it later. So that's what it's gonna be for now. I think it looks alright. And we're gonna take these ones off because that shit is gay. So, anyways, I'm out. We're gonna go ahead and help Justin with his vehicle there, and yeah, watch this video. It's still gonna be under Bastos.
So here, gotta do that first. Almost forgot. 10 or 9. Yeah.
Watch the next video for this. Peace. So yeah, thanks again for watching, for tuning in. Again, definitely appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like, share, follow, and subscribe. Those aren't tabs that you can click on, but make sure you go ahead and do that. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Peace, have fun, take care, and keep doing what you want to do.